Hello guys, in this video we will do unboxing of INALSA food processor. So it's an 800 watt motor with 2 years warranty. For warranty you have to register, and the MRP printed here is 5995, so MRP is around 6000, but you will get at a very lesser price from online or near stores. So actually I have already opened it and I have repacked it just to show you guys off. And so this is the box, and so I'm just opening it. So let's cut this off and open the box. The packaging wise it's good, but let us see what we get. So be cautious about that. In the back side we have that blades. So most of the guys in the online reviews commented that blades are not there, so you will find blades there. It depends on how you open. Some guys miss that. And this is the thing which get inside the motor, and these are some documentation you will get. So the first one is for home demo. For me it's not required. This is the extension of warranty. So we have to go to purchase website and write our unbiased feedback and click the snapshot and send the review, product serial number and invoice number to this WhatsApp number. And this is some documentation about how to use that food processor. You can pause the video and take a look about that documentation. So these are general guidelines which are required to operate the motor. Now the Hindi version is started from here. So there's nothing much more technical in that. Okay, so let's go to the main juice, which is the motor. So this is a blade which is used for cutting. You can make the chips from that blade. This is the motor. I would say it's a bit economical range food processor. So here also 800 watt is written. There are food processors for other companies which provide better quality and better functionalities, I mean to say, but you have to pay more price for that as well. So coming to the blades, this is a blade for if you are making some dishes for eggs, like omelette. So this is used to make equal distribution for mixing the yellow part and white part for omelette. And this is basically used inside the jar. So let's open that jar. So in the jar It's the capacity of jar is 1400 ml, and indications are written here, so you can measure water or whatever commodity you are preparing. So it's fragile, it's not non-breakable. The last version of that INALSA food processor claims that it was not breakable even if you drop, but this seems to be breakable as that fragile symbol is written here. Okay, so how to use that? So there are two locks basically. First one is that lock, which locks from here, and the second one is that lock. Okay, and so and before that, applying that, let me insert that as well. So it's a simple mechanism. It goes into that, and you have to apply that, and then when you move that, then it will do a click sound. So there's a spring mechanism here which locks. So on that you have to apply this, and on the top of that you can apply any blade on that. Okay, and apart from that, we have this cover. So that cover, the instructions are written here, so if you can see. Okay, so the cover is white, and my fingers are a little bit longer, as you can see, but usually finger will not go inside, it will restrict. And this is also, I guess, no, there is no measurable measures are written here. I think in the manual you will find something. So this looks around 300 to 400 ml. Okay, and similarly there is a lock here as well to lock this. So before locking this, let me apply some blades. Let me show you more. So this is the disc. This is a disc attachment which goes here, and it is also used for atta kneading as well. So let me show you. This is for eggs. This is mainly used for eggs, or if you want to stir something quickly. So this is for that purpose. So it goes like that. So apart from that, there is a atta kneading attachment as well. This is for atta kneading. I have tried that, but you have to clean a lot. All that atta will stuck into the inside of that, so there is a lot of cleaning. I don't know, I tried 2 to 3 times, but seems like I have to investigate more to do it properly, or might be there is some machine issue, not sure about that. So this is the blade for atta kneading, and so only 2 blades. Okay, one more fits in that equipment. There is that blade, so it's quite sharp. This is a chopping blade, so it will do quick chopping. I have tried with methi, and really you will get a good chopped methi, or if you want to chop onion and tomatoes and garlic, so it's good chopper. I've tried that. However, the quality of that attachment seems a little bit on downside. As you can see, it's quite thin plastic, not as much thin you can press, but yeah, overall with that powerful motor, I think it would be great if they can provide a little bit thick plastic. So that's all about that for about all for this attachments. Now moving to that part, I will show you for that attachments, and you can use this blade for making chips. So that blade goes into that way, and in the side edge you can get inside, and when you press that, this is the locking mechanism here, yeah, and when you press that it will get locked. So I will not press that. I will have to chop carrot, so I will use another attachment. So this is just for making French fries. And this is this attachment is for making some kind of salad or whatever you want to do with that attachment. So it fits that way, and it fits that. So they are cuttings in that way, but the cuttings are quite sturdy. They will not lose up early, but the thing is the attachments, as you can see, 1 2 3 4, the four there are only 4 plastics which are attaching this. So I think they are weak. I have not tried much how much sturdy it is, but yeah, it's in day-to-day usage. I have tried for around 1 month and it's working fine. But yeah, at this price point you might have to compromise quality. So it fits that way, and let me show you the settings of motor as well. So it's quite sturdy. It will not go out because it's locked. So these are the settings. This is a pulse setting and first, second. So there are only 2 settings. So this is all about the review of INALSA. Please like, share and subscribe this channel for more videos. Thank you. Thanks for watching.